Hello, my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we are in Praia da Luz, a beautiful coastal town just 5 minutes away from Lagos, with a little church, with great restaurants and cafeterias and amazing social life. And today I would like to present to you Villa Verde, which is located on a quiet street, very green location, and it's just 5 minutes away from the town, very close to the beach. And without further ado, let's have a look inside. The main level presents a spacious living and dining with cozy fireplace and with a magnificent ocean view even from the sitting level in your living area. There is a completely renovated kitchen, fully equipped with a kitchen island, also enjoys ocean view. From the kitchen you can move to the outdoor space, which has a fully equipped barbecue and a little garden with a mini golf-like garden view. Upstairs there are 2 en-suites, a huge 57-meter square terrace and a little office. Beautiful view. On the outside there is a 44-meter square heated saltwater pool, fruit tree garden with an irrigation system, a beautiful tropical garden, a very well maintained, and it's an absolute oasis. On the other features there is double glazed windows, fiber internet, solar panels and much more. On this note, I would like to thank you for watching this video with us. If you like this property, please give us a shout on the phone and we will be happy to present it to you. Please like and subscribe and see you soon. Bye!